How to link your Amazon store with Shopify step-by-step guide 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I bring you back with yet another great e-commerce and money related tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to be discussing on how you can basically connect your Amazon to your Shopify store in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Now, first of all, let's discuss the two products you need. So the first product is obviously Shopify, because that's the store we're going to be putting our Amazon in. The second is the Amazon Associates Central link. Now you're probably wondering what that is. Amazon Associates is like Amazon's own affiliate marketing program, and it's like one of the world's most top leading affiliation programs ever. And basically you're going to have to sign yourself up with this, because what we're going to be doing is once we sign up with this, we're going to be taking our Amazon product links that we get, and we're going to be pasting it on the Shopify app that I'm going to download for you. And once we do that, what that's going to do is it's going to basically put the affiliation linked product from Amazon onto our Shopify store. And let's say if a person comes to our store and clicks on the product and buys it, then we will get the, you could say, affiliation. We could get the commission, like however the amount of commission is for that product. So yeah, basically that is what we're going to be discussing today. So without further ado, let's just, get straight into the main steps. So the first step is obviously to have a full-fledged Shopify account, which works fine, which works well, and yeah, it just has all the essentials in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and log in with mine. I'm gonna create a new store with my recent email. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create another store. Once you go there, here it says, let's get started, which best describes you. Now, obviously, you're doing affiliation, so you're probably already selling. But you can just go with I'm just starting. All depends on you. This basically sets the algorithm for what you're about to get. So I'm going to go with I'm just starting and click on next. Where would you like to sell? Obviously, we're going to sell on an online store or an existing website or blog. I'm going to go with an online store and click on next. What do you plan to sell first? Products I buy or make myself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, and print on demand products. So basically you have the choice to, sell all of these separately or all together if you want. Totally depends on you. So you can go with any of these. You could go with a choice. So I'm going to go with obviously like dropshipping products, and you could go with let's just go with dropshipping, and I'll decide later. Now, once we do that, keep a random store name. So it could be, you call your store the warehouse or something like that, doesn't really matter. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on next. You're going to choose your country where you're located. And that's like extremely important, because accordingly to that, it's going to like ask all the things for you to do and do the billing, then shipping, and everything. So once that is done, as you can see, it starts to create your store, and let's just wait for it to do it fully so I can like give you a more insight on what to do next. So once the store is built, you're going to be redirected to the main dashboard of your Shopify store. Now, once we go to the dashboard, what's going to happen is we're going to head over to the Shopify App Store. Now, the Shopify App Store can be accessed through like any of these places. So what you can do is you're just going to go and add apps on the left-hand side. Once you click on add apps, you're going to come down here and click on Shopify App Store. Now, once you click on that, what's going to happen is it's going to bring you here, and over here, you're going to write Amazon. As you can see, you just wrote Amazon. You're going to click on that. And once you do that, obviously it gives you all these different, you could say, applications over here to integrate it with. You could go with any one of these if you want to, but like the most used is Amazon Importer Spreader app. So I would recommend you go with this, because like it has a 7-day free trial that you can use for yourself, and you can like test it out. If you don't like it, you can just unsubscribe to the trial and everything, and you don't necessarily have to use this. But once we're into the whole thing, here we can see getting started. Step 1. Integrate the code. Add 2 lines of integration code in your Shopify store. Raise a ticket, and we can do it for you. Now, the step 2 is join Amazon. Join Amazon Associates program. It's free. Save your affiliate ID in the dashboard settings. And step 3 is import products. Import any product by simply copying the Amazon product page link in the text above. So obviously, first of all, you're going to add 2 lines of integration code into your Shopify store. So basically, you're going to come here to the integration guide where they're going to like tell you everything. So basically, you're going to go to your Shopify admin, click on online store, click themes, click actions for your published theme. And then obviously just add this integration code of Amazon under your main, .xml code right under your action. So what you're going to do, let me explain in like a more depth. You're going to go in online store. Okay, you're going to go on themes. Now, once you go on themes, as they say, click on actions and click on edit code. So you're going to come here, and as you can see, here's edit code. Now, once you go on edit code, they say that you're going to go to product template dot liquid, which appears under section. So here's section. So you're going to find the product section, and it's like gonna be somewhere over here. So once you find it, what you're going to do is you're going to open its code, and then obviously you're going to find this line. And once you find this line, you're just going to add this code into the line. And once you do that, all you're going to do is you're going to save it, and you can save it just by clicking over here. And once you do that, you're going to head back to your main Shopify store. Now, once you do that, as you can see, you have integrated it. And then obviously, as I said, join the Amazon Associates program. Once you join the Amazon Associates program, what you're going to do is you're going to start importing products from Amazon. So to do that, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to open the Amazon and like choose a product that you want to import to your store. So let's say you want to import these HyperX headphones. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go into this. You're going to copy, okay? You're going to come to this place over here. You're going to paste it, and you're going to click on add product. So as you can see, it adds this product, and from there on out, it's going to import it from your Amazon to your Shopify. And as you can see, product added successfully. Okay, so you can go and check over here in your products, like if it's here yet. And as you can see, it has been imported. Now from here on out, you can just add it into your store. And once you add it into your store, obviously, if you have like your integration code there and your Amazon affiliation link available in your affiliation ID, then what's going to happen is this product over here is going to act as a proper affiliation link. And if someone clicks on it, basically, and like buys it, after clicking on this, you're gonna get like a proper you could say commission off of this. So let's say if this product is for $200 or $100, let's say it's for $100, you're gonna get $10 off the purchase. So just imagine doing nothing, spending no money, sitting in your home, and just getting paid for marketing products. So yeah, that's basically about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great and incredible day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.